This is Irontrader. It is Tuesday morning. So I'm going to take a look here at Bitcoin, at crude oil, and then at natural gas. This video is for information purposes only. On recognition of bias on a stock commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Bitcoin, your daily chart. Now, before we get started here, we've got 2 days of Fed meetings. So that's going to be a market mover this week here. So you just want to make sure that you pay attention real close to all the info that's coming out. Okay, let's take a look here at the old Bitcoin. All right, let me bigger up a little bit here for you. Okay, now you can see here where we had this run up right into the 21-day, and now it looks like we're having to run up right into the 8-day. Okay, now the 50-day is rolling over, 21-day, and the 8-day. Okay, so you have to get above this so we can go to the next level kind of a situation. But we're hanging right around that old 8-day simple moving average. Okay, so right now here we look at the upside. This is what you want to has to close above. That's the key. 82,991. Okay, if we can get above that, then we'll look at today's high at 82,305. Yesterday's high, we've got 84,925, and then we'll look top of this candle here, 85,595, and then this is what you're looking for is this 21-day at 87,583. Now, right now, there just isn't really any kind of a catalyst that's going on here, and then that's what the big kind of a problem is. It's just like a sideways action situation. So if we look even back to the past of the charts here, okay, so look how long that this thing just kind of based and then finally ran up and then based again. Okay, now we're going to have the same kind of a situation. Well, we got to see exactly how it's going to shake out. Okay, but we had this double top. See where you had this double top? Where you have a high, double top there. See another high. See that? And then ever since then, it's just coming right on off here. Okay, so it just is like a two-way trade. I use the IBIT for the long, BITI for the short, and it seemed to work out very, very nicely. Now, here on the downside, we're going to be watching yesterday's low. That's at 82,175 level, okay? And then we'll be coming over here. We'll look at here. You're looking at 87.60, and then we'll come down to the bottom candle there at 80.40, and then we can come all the way over here to the left. You're looking at 78,675, but this is the key, is that 377. That's your 200 SMA here, okay? So that's going to be very, very key. So on the upside here, just remember, just watch this 8-day, 82,991, and then we looked at yesterday's high, that 84,925. And then at 85,595. But this is what we're looking for, is that 21-day. Now, when you look at the past here, okay, right into the 20-day, right into it. That's going to be very, very strong resistance. But as the weeks go on, okay, we have this sideways action, yes. But that 21-day is going to keep on dipping, and then something's going to have to give here, okay? So as the 21-day comes up, it's either going to break above that and go to that next level, which is going to be that 100-day, 92,062, and maybe the 50-day at 94,709, or even that retest at 99,765, or it's going to knock it back down, and we're going to retest this 200 SMA here, okay? So right now here, there's really nothing I could really tell you here that's like big encouragement here of say, hey, this is going balls out long here, or balls out short. We're just trading sideways, and that's all we have here for all these days kind of situation. Now you're sitting at 40. There's really, not telling you one way or the other which way it's going to go. Same way here, we're just hunkering down on the bottom kind of situation, but we just have sideways action. So just remember, just trade this. This is not a buy and hold to go long or buy and hold to go short kind of situation. Okay, let's take a look here now at crude oil and natural gas. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natty gas daily chart. Now, let me bigger up here a little bit here. Okay, so it's really pretty much the same old. Okay, we had this nice double bottom situation. You had 65.22, and then we retested it with 65.29. That was your buying opportunity here, okay? And then once we get above this 8, then you can add to your position. Now, yesterday here, we had like a topping tail situation. Today, we came on down. We held this nice 8 simple moving average, and now we're working ourselves up here to this 21-day. So realistically, this is basically an engulfing candle. See how your high, your low? We engulfed the previous day's candle here, and it's green. So what we're looking for here is this 21 simple moving average, okay? 68.66. That's what you're looking for, okay? But we have to look at the past here, okay? Always look to the past here. How many times it hit it and got rejected? That's the key. Now, if we can get above this key 68.66 level here, well, then what we'll do is we'll be looking right to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 69.14 level. We come over here to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 69.80 level. Then we come to the top here. You're looking at 70.29. But this is what you're looking for, is that 70.76 level. That would be next. Okay, and then you can layer it up. You go to your 71.81 and then 73.14 level. Okay, so this is looking very, very bullish here. Okay, see how that 8-day now is holding. That's what you want to see. You want to see that 8-day holding, just like we had here. Then she just keeps running up. Even when it sells, it holds that 8-day. Once you start losing it, then she's all done. Okay, so what we're trading today is that 67.13 on the bottom, and we're looking for that 68.66 there on the top. So we're just trading this range. We break out of that 68.66 level, that 70.76. This is going to be your target. Okay, now remember, the API report will be out today at 4:30, so we're going to see how that's going to shake out here. Now, the crudes have been really small builds on the EIA report, a little bit better, bigger on the API, but the gasolines have been big draws. Okay, so you have to look at what makes gasoline. Well, it's the crude oil. Okay, so here's what we're looking for. Watch this 8 SMA at 67.13. If that's lost, we'll come right to the bottom of this candle here. Looking at 66.59, we'll come down here, 66.15, and then we have your 65.80. Then your retest down there at 65.22. But as long as we're above that 8-day, we got sideways to up kind of an action. Okay, so the 21-day, that's going to be everything. You have to get and close above it, that 68.66. If you can, then your next target is going to be that 100-day. Now, this is only sitting at 46. This has plenty of room to run up here. And it looks like here we might have a bullish cross here as far as momentum-wise with your green over your red kind of a situation, okay? So, again, I'm long UCO, and I'm trading against this 8 SMA here on the downside. We lose that, then I put the shorty back on, and we can take it all the way down. We get above this 21-day, I'll add to the UCO, and we'll take it to that 100-day. Okay, here's what we have, natty gas here. Okay, let's just see what's going on. Natural gas can get out of its way. Now, here we have this 8-day. Now, you can see here how the 8-day is rolling over. It has not crossed that 21-day yet, but, again, big but here we got to see. Now, we had this bearish flag going on here kind of situation. Yesterday, we rallied up, went above the 20-day, and went right into the 8-day, and it could not hold it. So, realistically, we're looking at this support right here, this 3.95. You can see here how nice it's holding. If that is lost here, then we come right to your 50-day at 3.84 level, okay? That's going to be very, very key support that's holding that 50-day like we did here, okay? And we did here, okay? So if that's lost, we'll come right to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 3.74. That's your next support level. We'll come right here to the bottom here, this candle at 401. 401, 3.55. Just look at that price channel. That is basically just the bottom of that candle, 3.55. And then we have your 100-day at 3.47 level. But you have to lose that 50-day first. But right now, it's not telling me that it is, okay? Because we held, and now we're still holding this with a sideways action. Now, upside, 21-day, 4.515 is everything, okay? Right here, 4.16, this is everything. You have to get above that 21-day and that 8-day and close above it. Then we have a good shot at look at the bottom of that candle, 4.33, and then we have 4.37 level, okay? That's going to be your first target. Then we'll come right up here. You got 4.42. That's your next target. And then we'll come right over here, 4.55 level, and then we can even retest it. But you have to get above that 21-day and to get above the 8-day situation, okay? So that's what we're looking for here today. So we're trading this range, 21-day, 8-day on the top, 50-day on the bottom. So we just trade this range, okay? Now, I don't hold this overnight, but yesterday was a good scalp on the KOLD on the short side because it could not get through that 8-day, and I just took that off, made a nice point on that deal. This was a good solid trade there yesterday on the old natty gas, okay? Now, negative divergence we had here, 49. So this is looking here, this could go either way. You're sitting pretty much in the center. Your green below your red, that's another tell, momentum there to the downside. So again, 21-day, 8-day. You close above, we hit all these candles till we get the retest. We can't make this, hold this candle, this 395. We're looking for that 50-day. Okay, that's what I got for you. Now, I'll be back here, midday trading. We'll take a look here at Bitcoin, crude oil, natural gas, and then we'll throw something else in the old mix. Now, it looks like the Nasdaq's down here about 86 here. So we'll see if what we're going to have here for maybe a turnaround Tuesday, Let's just see how it all shakes out. Remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.